Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. Kids have started their summer vacation. This time we are not traveling to India. So thought to give change to kids, in fact for all of us. It was much needed break. Here in Qatar, now COVID restrictions are eased out and also they have opened everything like mall, beaches, hotel, etc. for fully vaccinated people. And inshallah COVID cases also reduced, so it is quite big relief. We are going to Al Bakra city. Al Bakra city is originally small fishing and pearling village. The name of a city derived from Arabic word wakar, which means bird's nest. According to ministry, the name given in reference to nearby hill, that is Jabal Al Wakra, which accommodate the nest of several birds. We have booked hotel which is inside Souk Al Wakra. Souk is a Arabic word for bazaar. It's like a street market where people can buy and sell goods. So here we reached Souk Al Wakra Hotel by Tivoli. It's a new property, 5-star property and blending artful Qatari tradition. As I mentioned earlier, this Al Wakra village is a pearling and small fishing village. This hotel is built, it is renovated property of Qatari houses. Very long back they used to do fishing and pearling here. And as it is at seashore, you will see the construction is different and very that old feel of Qatari tradition. Staying here is a literally different experience. It's not typical hotel, taking elevator, going to our rooms and like that, or swimming pool or like that. Here also have spa and other facilities like gym. But the most thing we liked it is like you are staying in village, that too in the very new culture we never seen. So it was, yes, excited stay, I would say. We booked two rooms, one for kids and one for us. We booked one suite and one regular room. And yes, overall the room and everything, service also, everything was good. We enjoyed and it is very calm also. So it was really good, refreshing stay. We reached hotel post lunch. So because of like we planned to play on the beach and playing in the water, so thought to check in after lunch only. And this is the person who is showing us and informing where to we can purchase things or where are restaurants and all. So evening we spent totally on the beach and playing with water and sand. It was really refreshing. It's not like that never been to beach or like as Qatar is peninsula, so many beach are here, so we often go. But like going on staycation, it is like keep everything aside, keep your work aside and go just relax and enjoy. Only missing was like journey, like usually we do flight journey and we go some places, but okay, that was missing. But still prepared mind, like without flight journey, just we are going for small vacation, that is staycation. So it was nice and you can see the evening was so beautiful. Initially we were doubtful whether the climate is good or not, because it is little humid here. Usually it's like that only in summer, but we were lucky that day. It was really good and breeze was there and really very calming and peaceful evening we spent. And kids also enjoyed a lot. Sometimes only spending time with them, spending time with nature, it makes so difference in life. After coming from this staycation, we are so refreshed, and it was like, restart of again our regular routine. After spending 2 to 3 hours on beach, we are going to back to the room, and we will get fresh. We'll take shower and relax a bit. And yes, now we are hungry, so we have to take dinner. So as we are in Vakra Sok, we thought to try some different restaurants. So we inquired in hotel. They suggested a few, and then they dropped us there. So we decided to have some, as usual, Arabic food. We like Arabic food, and so thought this time we will try food from Yemen. So one of staff member from hotel, he suggested one good hotel. Before going to restaurants, kids were insisting to visit bird market. As I said, it is soak, so it is like bazaar. So here bird market also there, even fish market is there. So first let's see how bird market is. Here they sell many type of birds like parrot, macaw, masukali, sparrow, lovebirds, etc. After doing some time pass, now we are going to have dinner. So here we reached Korean Zaman Al Khair restaurant. It is Yemeni restaurant. The ambience is good. Food was also tasty. Really enjoyed very freshly cooked and tasty food. After having dinner, we are going back to hotel. This soak is just on beach side, so walking here is different fun. This Tivoli hotel also have one restaurant, Jarnan. This is also good, but we tried having dinner outside. Tomorrow morning we will have breakfast here. Kids were insisting me to capture their room also. They were so excited. Because of hot weather, we decided to spend time inside room only. So here we are playing some board games, which is nowadays our favorite thing to do after dinner, even at home. We played till late night and slept till late morning. And these are the moment, guys. I feel like we should collect these memories and we can cherish in our later life. So next day morning we got up late, so we were hungry, and the breakfast time was till 10 a.m. and we got up by 9. So we rushed to restaurant, and guys, the food was so yummy. The breakfast was so yummy. Usually they have a buffet, but because of COVID restriction now they serve at table. There were good veg menu also, even non-veg, continental, everything was there. The dishes like poha, chole, paratha, those were also yummy, and it was really, fun to have these kind of breakfast. And later we thought to go in, some spa, but what to do with kids? Then we thought we all together go to in hydro pool. It is one kind of spa only. Basically, hydro pool is a alternative medicine. It is like use of water for pain relief and treatment like physiotherapy. So it was really relaxing. We enjoyed it. After spending 2 hours in hydro pool, it was time for checkout. So we just quickly refreshed and packing done, and we skipped lunch because we had very heavy breakfast. So we just had fruits. Kids wanted to stay more, like one more night, but unfortunately husband was not having leave, so we checked out, and it was really fun staying in this hotel. It is highly recommended, and surely we will visit once again this hotel because we want to enjoy in winter season also. They have good ambience. So this is how we spent our staycation, refreshed, and it was much needed break, as we are stuck here for almost 1.5 year, but that is fine. We are making memories. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this. Stay connected, take care, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.